how much of an importance the mother holds in Islam. And this is a Sahih Hadith narrated in Bukhari as well as Muslim. And Islam has liberated and empowered women as far back as 1400 years ago. They don't see it in the same light as what we call liberation in the modern sense, Sister Noor, but then we have such a long history of women contributing to our society. People can't look past the veil, unfortunately. But that's, having said that, we are now joined on the program today with a really very special guest.
Yes.
Would you like to introduce her?
Yes. So we are talking about women tonight. So definitely we have ladies as a guest tonight, and definitely our featured video that I'm going to have is going to talk about women as well. So let's introduce our guest for tonight. So we have with us Sister Ramila Chef, the president for the Australian Uyghur Tangritagh Women Association. Welcome.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, tell us about the Uyghur Tangritagh Women Association. I hope I'm pronouncing it right.
You're doing very well. You're doing very
good,
well.
Good.
Better than most people do. So.
All right, that's good to know. I guess I'll probably share with us the history and the drive behind this establishment, and basically the history and the drive behind this establishment.
Absolutely. So, as you would know, that the Uyghur community is very new in South Australia. In Australia, we've migrated here from the mid-70s, late 60s, mid-70s, and it's sort of slowed down. So, the Tangritagh Women's Association, which was established over 10 years ago by a group of women who are very passionate about saving their culture and their language and religion, came together and created an unofficial little group called Tangritagh Women's Group. And so with this, to ensure, and they've been hosting events over the past 11 years and probably even before that in a more unofficial and a smaller setting. And to ensure the sustainability of this group, we came together and we have created the Australian Tangritagh Women's Association, or Uyghur Women's Association, sorry, OTWA is the acronym for it, which was officially registered early this year. So we're registered as a non-for-profit organisation in Australia, so that we are officially there, and we can have our say and do events
and have a representation of some kind.
Absolutely, in a more formal setting. Absolutely. So in the past, it was very much doing the groundwork and grassroots work for the community at large. But as an organisation itself, we are able to have a different platform to meet the needs of our community.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and this gives us an opportunity to apply for federal, state and council grants as well, which sustainability is a huge issue when you're running an organisation or a community organisation. This helps us to provide services and provide forums and educational platforms and discussions, and how to empower women and inspire women at a whole new level, and also do it in a more formal and systemized sort of manner, So, and then, as you know, what's happening with the Uyghur situation back in East Turkestan as well, by default, I think we all became an advocate for our family, for our relatives, for our friends, for our greater people, generations over there. So this is also a platform for us to advocate for the voiceless and for the, for those who are not seen or not heard. So this is the drive for it, and this OTWA, Australian Uyghur Women's Tangritagh Women's Association, sorry, I'm getting my tongue twisted as well, has come into fruition, but it has come at a bad time, unfortunately, the COVID, but there has been blessings in that as well. So alhamdulillah, it's been good.
Inshallah, things will get better, like we are all hoping with everything.